Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless and how you can basically get an iPhone SE for half off. Pretty close to it at least. So they have a pretty good promotion where you can save $200. So if you guys don't know who Visible Wireless is well, guys, Visible Wireless is a pretty good carrier, just depending on your area and congestion. They do use Verizon's towers, and you can get unlimited data as low as $25 a month. Yes, that's true unlimited data and hotspot as well. It runs for $40 a month, but you can get party pay and get it as low as $25 a month. So it says wireless made for the single life, get unlimited data, talk, text, hotspot as low as $25 a month. No family plan needed, taxes and fees included, powered by Verizon. So I've actually used Visible Wireless before, guys. It's pretty decent, but like I said, here in my area, a lot of people use Verizon, so it can get congested. But let's get into this deal, guys, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So the iPhone SE, this is the third generation, of course, is the newest one, guys. Just came out not too long ago, and currently you can get a $200 gift card. So basically the phone's $430. You will get about half off on it, close to it at least, you know. It says get the new iPhone SE and enjoy $200 to spend online. Offer available on all our iPhone models. So if we go to shop iPhones, you see you can do it on any phone, but we're mainly talking about the iPhone SE. This is the third generation. You can tell by the wallpaper, guys. So iPhone SE, SIM card included, free next day shipping. Here's the promo, guys. You just have to sign up with it. We'll see the details. So it says promotions included with devices. Must transfer your current number to qualify. So you must transfer your number to, or port your number over to Visible Wireless, guys, to get this promotion. You cannot just get service and start, you know, getting this promotion. So they do have the black, the Starlight, which is the white, and the product red. The product red looks like they only have it in 128. All other colors, they have it in 64 gigs, guys. So let's just say we're gonna get the black one, right? Let's see what the details are. So here are the details. It says get up to a $200 virtual gift card when you switch to Visible. Join Visible and create your account. Transfer your number from an eligible carrier within 14 days of transaction. Set up your SIM and activate. After completing 3 full months of service, you will receive an email with a code to redeem your virtual gift card. I've actually done this and it actually works really good. So offer disclosure, let's look at that real quick. It says new members who, one, purchase a qualifying device or bring your own. Transfer their existing phone number from an eligible carrier within 14 days of transaction. Activate their Visible service, and 4, complete 3 full months of service payments. So basically, guys, like I said, you have to port your number over, and then you have to complete 3 full on-time payments. Remember, you can get as low as $25 a month, guys. So if that's not bad, and then you'll get a $200 gift card. Here's some of the gift cards that you can get. A lot of people, the one I would recommend you guys, as you can see here, it is Amazon, AutoZone, Bath Body, Beyond, Best Buy. So here's some that you can get. You can even do Groupon. The one that I got that's, I think, the best because you can spend it anywhere would be just, oh, they don't even have it anymore. It used to be a Visa prepaid card, but it looks like they took that one away. So here are the ones. The best one probably I would say is Amazon. I mean, you can buy anything from Amazon. No, but here it says join Visible, transfer your number, set up a SIM and activate, and then of course choose your virtual gift. And like I said, here are your options. So not too shabby at all. Like I said, you can do it with any iPhone, or even a Galaxy. It looks like, which is this one right here. Or, I mean, an Android. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you sign up for Visible? Do you want more? I have a couple of videos on Visible Wireless. Like I said, I have a mixed feeling, but with them, like I said, they do use Verizon's network, but it totally depends on how congested the network is. You know, in the city it can be really, really fast, but sometimes it might not work depending on where you're at. So pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Thank you, guys.